Today we explain numerical number. We write numerical number 6. Numerical is 0.5 normal solution of a salt placed between two platinum electrodes 2.0 cm apart and area of a cross section 4.0 cm square 4.0 cm square has a resistance of 25 cm. Calculate the equivalent conductivity of solution. Question is 0.5 normal solution of a salt. This value is normality of the solution. The normality indicate capital N. Therefore, we write capital N is equal to 0.58. Question asks solution of a salt placed between two platinum electrode. 2.0 cm apart. The distance between 2 cm. The symbol of distance between two electrode is equal to L. The value of L in the question 2.0 cm. And area of cross section 4.0 cm square. Area of cross section will be this. The symbol of area across small a, we write small a is equal to 4.0 cm square. Has a resistance of 25 cm. 25 cm not here ohm. The symbol of resistance is equal to R. We write R is equal to 25 ohm. Question asked calculate the equivalent conductivity of the solution. The symbol of equivalent conductivity is equal to lambda EQ. Therefore, we write lambda EQ is equal to what? First of all, we calculate G star, which is called cell constant. Here we write a formula G star is equal to L upon A. L upon A, L and A are present. Therefore, we apply this formula. G star is equal to L upon A. The value of L is equal to 2.0 cm. The value of A is equal to 4.0 cm square. we write 2/4, 1 cm, 1 cm cut out, cm rest, it go upper and converted into cm inverse, it is cut out by 1/2 cm inverse. Now we write next formula. We know that G star is equal to kappa into R. We calculate the value of G star, which is 1/2. The value of R present in the question 25 ohm. Therefore, we write kappa is equal to G star upon R. Kappa is equal to, the value of G star is equal to 1/2 cm inverse. The value of R is equal to 25 ohm. Therefore, we write 1/50 ohm inverse and cm inverse. It is the value of kappa, which is called a specific conductivity. Now we write next formula, which is related to equivalent conductivity. We write lambda eq बराबर kappa into 1000 upon n. The value of kappa is equal to 1/50. Therefore, we write 1/50 into 1000. The value of capital N, that is normality, 0.5 N. Here we write 0.5. One decimal point is present, right? We remove 1 0 upper. The answer will be 40 ohm inverse cm square gram equivalent inverse. Here we write Simon. The next question we write which is related to competition. Question 7 is the specific conductance of a 0.1 N KCl solution at 23 degrees Celsius is 0.012 ohm inverse cm inverse. The resistance of cell constant, the solution at the same temperature was found to be 55 ohm. The cell constant will be. This question was asked in CBSE PMT and question asked the specific conductance of a 0.1 NaCl solution at 23 degrees Celsius is 0.012 Simon inverse Cm inverse. It is the value of a specific conductance. Here we write the symbol of a specific conductance kappa is equal to 0.012 ohm inverse Cm inverse. It is value of a specific conductance. The resistance of cell constant the solution at the same temperature was found to be 55 ohm. We write R, which indicate resistance of the cell. The value of R in the question is 55 ohm. Question asks the cell constant will be. Here we write G star is equal to what, which indicate cell constant. We write a formula. G star is equal to kappa into R. The value of kappa in the question 0.012 ohm inverse Cm inverse, and the value of R is equal to 55 ohm. Ohm inverse and ohm are cut out. Cm inverse rest. The unit will be Cm inverse. We multiply 12 and 5. We get 60. Here we write 0 and rest 6. We multiply 12 and 50 and add 6. You get 66. We put the value. We put the decimal point in the digit. Here 1, 2, 3 digits are present. Therefore we write 1, 2, 3. Therefore answer will be 0.66 Cm inverse. Next question we write next question is the specific conductance of a solution is 0.2 ohm inverse Cm inverse and conductivity is 0.04 ohm inverse. The cell constant would be we write the question. The specific conductance of a solution is 0.2 ohm inverse Cm inverse. Here we write the symbol of a specific conductance which is denoted by kappa. The value of kappa in the question is 0.2 ohm inverse Cm inverse, and conductivity is 0.04 ohm inverse. The symbol of conductivity is C or G. Here we write only C. The value of C in the question 0.04. Here we write 0.04 ohm inverse. The cell constant would be, the symbol of cell constant is G star. Here we write G star is equal to what? We write formula in which these are present. G star is equal to kappa upon C. The value of kappa is equal to 0.2 ohm inverse Cm inverse. The value of conductivity is equal to 0.04 ohm inverse. These are cut out. Cm inverse rest. We remove decimal point. Answer will be 5 Cm.